Oh, where have you been to, Lord Ronald, my son? Oh, where have you been to, my handsome young man? I've been to the greenwood, Mother Mac, my bedson, for I'm weary o' hunting and fain would lie down. What had you for dinner, Lord Ronald, my son? What had you for dinner, my handsome young man? I had eels boiled in broth, Mother Mac, my bedson, for I'm weary o' hunting and fain would lie down. Oh, where did they come from, Lord Ronald, my son? Oh, where did they...
Me. House spray. You end up with a super duper, me bother at all.
Who taught you painting?
Madam.
Oh, was he a painter?
Aye. Chancellor.
So how many years have you been painting?
You got me now. 36 or something.
36 years of painting. You look young.
Eh?
You look young.
Lord Ronald, my son, oh, where are your bloodhounds, my handsome young man? Oh, they swelled and they died, Mother Mac, my bedson.
You could basically say he is responsible for them having a black president in the USA.
Absolutely.
Because he come from
Human rights.
the civil rights of Martin Luther King, who took his cue from Mahatma Gandhi, with civil disobedience. He showed them the way. Tiny little man, and brought down the empire. How's that? How's that, Sushi?